Hello, welcome to today's homework help video. This is Daniel speaking, and today I will be showing you how to locate objects on a coordinate plane. I will be working through a total of 6 problems in this video in order to help you develop an understanding of how to locate x and y coordinates. Let's get started. Problem 1. What is the x-coordinate of the blue pentagon? So, in order to solve this problem, we need to know where the blue pentagon is. The blue pentagon is right here on the coordinate plane. There are 2 axes in this coordinate plane. Located right here at the bottom, this entire bottom line in bold with an arrow sticking out, this is the x-axis. The x-axis is a horizontal line. The other line right here that runs straight up with an arrow at the end of it, similar to the x-axis. This axis right here is the y-axis. The y-axis is what you would call a vertical line, meaning that it runs straight up. Again, to reiterate, the x-axis is horizontal because it runs straight across. That being said, let's determine the x-coordinate of the blue pentagon. In order to do this, I will start from the blue pentagon and then draw a vertical line down from it down to a number on the x-axis, and we get 4. 4 is the number on the x-axis that matches with the location of the blue pentagon. Therefore, the x-coordinate of the blue pentagon is 4. Let's now move on to problem 2. What is the x-coordinate of the green pentagon? So this is similar to what we did in problem 1, finding the x-coordinate of a shape. The green pentagon is right here in the coordinate plane. Since it is asking us for the x-coordinate, we again need to look at the x-axis. We need to determine which of these numbers on the x-axis directly corresponds to the position of the green pentagon in this coordinate plane. So I'm just going to draw a straight vertical line from the green pentagon all the way down to the x-axis, straight. And we arrive at 6. 6 is the number on the x-axis that matches with the location of the green pentagon. Therefore, the x-coordinate of the green pentagon is 6. Let's move on to problem 3. What is the y-coordinate of the blue triangle? In the previous 2 problems, it was asking us what is the x-coordinate. Now we need to find out what the y-coordinate is. Because of this, we are not looking at the x-axis for this problem, but we are instead going to look at the y-axis in order to determine our answer. We need to find out which of these numbers on the y-axis directly corresponds with the location of the blue triangle. So, and once you get really good at this, you won't need to draw a straight line from the shape to the number that corresponds to, but I'll just do it in the video for every problem, since I am introducing this topic to you, and it is really helpful to get a clear visualization of what this process looks like. So I have just drawn a straight horizontal line from this shape, from our blue triangle to the number that it corresponds to on the y-axis, and that number is 4. 4 is the number on the y-axis that matches up with the location of the blue triangle. Therefore, the y-coordinate of the blue triangle is 4. Okay, let's go to problem 4 now. What is the y-coordinate of the yellow heart? Problem 3, which we just completed, it asks us for the y-coordinate of the blue triangle. Similar process. In fact, it's the same process, except now in problem 4, we are trying to find the y-coordinate of the yellow heart. So our yellow heart is right here, and our y-axis is right here. Trying to find the number on the y-axis that directly matches with the location of the yellow heart, I'm going to draw a straight horizontal line from the yellow heart all the way to the number that it matches with on the y-axis, and that number is 7, which means that 7 is the y-coordinate of the yellow heart. Moving on to problem 5. What are the coordinates of the pink triangle? Now it is asking us for not just the y-coordinate or the x-coordinate, but coordinates, meaning that it is asking for both the x and y coordinates. That being said, let's get started. So our pink triangle, it sits right here in the coordinate plane, and instead of looking at one axis or the other, we need to look at both axes now. Here is our x-axis, and here is our y-axis. Okay, I'm going to draw a straight vertical line from the pink triangle all the way down to the x-axis at the bottom in order to find its exact x-coordinate. We land at 5. 5 is the number on the x-axis that corresponds to the position of the pink triangle on the coordinate plane, which means that 5 is our x-axis. The way that we write our x and y coordinates, it is our x-coordinate before the comma, and then after the comma is the y-coordinate, as I am demonstrating here. Okay, having said that, let's find the y-coordinate of the pink triangle now. So I will draw a straight horizontal line all the way to the left until we reach the y-axis in order to get the correct y-coordinate. So pink triangle, this straight horizontal line all the way to the y-axis, and we reach 10. 10 is the number on the y-axis that matches with the location of the pink triangle, which means that the y-coordinate of the pink triangle is 10. This is our final answer, 5, 10. 5 being our x-coordinate and 10 being our y-coordinate. Moving on to the final problem, problem 6. What are the coordinates of the purple circle? Okay, it's the same process. They're asking us for the coordinates of the shape, both the x and y coordinates. So here is our purple circle in the coordinate plane. Here is our x-axis, and our y-axis is right here. Gonna start from the purple circle, draw a straight vertical line downwards, down all the way to the bottom until we get to the x-axis, and the number that we get is 8. So 8 is our x-coordinate. It is the x-coordinate of the purple circle. And now we shall find the y-coordinate of the purple circle by starting from this purple circle and then drawing a straight line horizontally all the way to the left until we reach the y-axis, and we have reached it, and we get a number of 1. 1 is the number on the y-axis that directly corresponds to the position of the purple circle on this coordinate plane, which means that the y-coordinate of the purple circle is 1. This is our final answer. 8, 1. 8 being the x-coordinate and 1 being the y-coordinate. I hope you found this video really helpful in attempting to determine the x and y coordinates of a shape in a coordinate plane. You're going to be doing this with circular points as well in the future that look like this generally. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Have a great rest of the week. Bye.